Question 3 on your low stakes quiz. This was back to our arithmetic and geometric sequences. The first question is an arithmetic sequence because it's going changing by the same amount each day. It's increasing each day. When you're asked to write down an equation in terms of u1 and d, that means that your equation should contain numbers and the letters u1 and d. Otherwise, it should just have numbers. So, from the information we're given in the question, we're told that u7 is equal to 21. On the 7th day, she gets 21 milligrams. And we know it's an arithmetic sequence, so we can equate that using the formula. So that's equal to u1 plus 7 minus 1d. So to smarten that up, 21 equals u1 plus 6d. Then for part B, you had to do the same again, but this time for the 11th day, where we're told that she had 29 milligrams. We're using the formula, smartened up, we get 29 equals u1 plus 10d. Then for part C, it's just a case of using your calculator with the two equations, this one and this one. We can use our calculator to find out the value. So, put it on. Wow, it's very close. And we're going to be solving simultaneous equations. So we're going to go apps. So press the apps button. Then I'm going to number 4 for the poly solve. Press any button as it says. And I'm doing simultaneous equations. My equation I've got 2 equations and 2 unknowns. So that's fine. Press next. And then I put in my data. So this one is going to be the number in front of u1. This is the number in front of d. So you can see I've already done it on my calculator. So u1 plus d plus 6d equals, and then this one should be 21. Then this one is 1 plus 1 and 10, and that equals 29. Run out of batteries, I think. Just pause it there. So then, once you've pressed enter on the last page, you get x1 equals 9, x2 equals 2. So 9 is our u1 and d is 2. That's just on our calculators. Then, and we write that. Then we're asked, stop focusing. There we go. Then we're asked for the total amount of the drug that she receives. So with the total, we're doing the sum. It's over 30 days, so just using the formula from our formula booklets for the sum of an arithmetic sequence, we can substitute in the numbers. That gets you a mark. And then we get our answer. If you don't know where this has come from, please take out your formula booklet and look it up. Check that you can substitute in the numbers correctly. Then we moved on to the other guy, and his was being halved every day. His was a geometric sequence. And using the formula for a geometric sequence, I can write down the general form, which then means it's really easy for me to find out how much he received on the 5th day, because that would just be u5. So he gets 1.25 milligrams, just by substituting my numbers into the formula. And here you can see that I've just done 5 minus 1 in one step. Then we're asked to find the value of k which was the first time he received less than 0.06 milligrams. So when is UK less than 0.06? Well, this is the formula for the amount that he received on the kth day. Just substituting into my general form. And then I can just do this on my calculator. I can graph it, or I can use the table of values. So, I want to get out of this. I'm going to put this in. Clear everything else I've got. And I'm going to type that in. So 20 times 0.5 to the power of x minus 1. And you can see the same thing. And I can go to the table of values. And I scroll down. And I can see the first time that it's less than 0.06 is on the 10th day, where it's 0.03. On the 9th day it's 0.07, so k must equal 10. The first day when it's less than 0.06. Then for the final question, we need the total of those days. So when k equals 10, up to the 10th day, up to including the 10th day. So we're doing the sum, the first 10 terms, and we're just using the formula from our formula booklet. So get your formula booklet and check. This is the sum of a geometric sequence, first term of 20, common difference of a half, and we're summing the first 10 days. You just type this into your calculator and then do some sensible rounding. Don't forget your units. And that's it. Thank you for watching.